What do you got? You got your cars? You put them down the ramp? Here. Here's your van. Right here. You put them down here? Can you do it?
No. I was telling the widow. The doctor was babying her son.
Why don't you watch American soap operas so that we can all
Hey.
watch them?
I do.
Asher.
Hi.
Asher.
All right. What happened here? Homecoming queen. I'm not cleaning up. Mom, you're having me drink up with this Chinese stuff the director found on me. Did a lot of research, but I feel like I'm missing some folklore and legend. Tell me the story. I know you did, Mom, but I was too little to appreciate them. Anyway, it's not like I miss having that Chinese culture in my life.
Yeah, put it on the ramp.
Just because you don't miss it doesn't mean it's
Good job.